In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the scale of a shape in After Effects using pixels, not percentage. First off, we'll just create a basic shape using the Shape tool. And then if I come over to the shape in the timeline and select it, and then press S for scale, you'll see by default we will be adjusting the size based on the percentage of the shape size. Now if we want to actually adjust the size of this shape using pixels, there's two ways that you can access this setting. One is to select Scale from the timeline, right click and then select Edit Values, or you can right click on the actual shape, go to Transform and then Scale. Now as you can see, the units is percentage of source. What we can do here in this drop down is change it to pixels. And now you can see we can adjust the scale of the width and height in pixels. If you want a different aspect ratio for your shape, you can just click the aspect ratio icon to deselect it, and then you can adjust individually. You can also type your dimensions in. And there you have it.